Good PM. Ngayon po ay Thursday, April 16, 2026 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Thursday, April 16, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2 PM draw ng 2D Lotto. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong April 16, 2026 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Thursday, April 16, 2026. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 and Super Lotto 649 for April 16, 2026 Thursday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Thursday, April 16, 2026. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.